Hey friends, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna draw a beautiful honeybee. To draw a honeybee, firstly you have to draw a circle. It doesn't need to be absolutely the accurate circle. It can be like this. And then make the eye. Here's the first one and the second one. These two eyes are almost same. And here's a big smiley mouth. And this is the antenna of our honeybee. Ooh. Now it's time to draw its figure. Here its little hands. And the little body. This portion should be darker cause I am gonna make some shades here. I will fill this line with black also, and this would be also black. Nice. Here, little legs. Let's draw the wings. Wow! Our drawing is done. Now we will color the honeybee. Let's color. I will fill its mouth with yellow. Did you see? I have left 3 places. Did you see? I have marked 3 places. I will keep those places empty cause I don't want to fill those with yellow. So I'm coloring very carefully. Wow, now it's hands and rest of the body. Ooh, now brown for its legs and blue for its wings. This honeybee has beautiful blue wings. Now make its cheek pink. Oh wow, our pinky honeybee is almost done. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.